Negative 5 plus 5 gives us 0. So 0 times 6 over 5, which equals 0 over 5, and this is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in the numerator, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition. If we do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first 5 times 6, which equals 30. So negative 5 plus 30 over 5. Now we have to do this addition. Negative 5 plus 30 gives us 25. So 25 over 5, which equals 5. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 5.